What's up, everybody? We're at 333 YouTube channel, and today we are reviewing nice urbanization in Villajoyosa. It's near Alicante. This urbanization is ultimate panoramic urbanization with 2 and 3 bedrooms apartments. Let's review this good quality and good architectural work. Let's go. So this is a living room with kitchen with an island, and there is a ceiling air conditioning and ventilation, and here we go out to a huge terrace. It is panoramic terrace to Bulnu beach that is only 4 minutes walk, and there is, you see, Villajoyosa city center, and there is Alicante on the right side, and here there are nice shutters on the top, and here you can see it manual. They are open and closed like this. So this is master bedroom. It is a suite. It means that it has own shower. There is a wardrobe equipped, and another bedroom without its own shower is here, a bit smaller and looks to the internal yard. Here there is a guest shower and toilet. Let's check what is it here equipped. We have dishwashing machine, we have microwave, here everything for cooking, built-in fridge, and here we have 2 and 3 bedrooms apartments. Let's check what is it in terms of prices. So in this urbanization we have 2 and 3 bedrooms apartments. 3 bedrooms it's like duplexes, and 2 bedrooms it's 1-story apartments like we reviewed now. Prices start from 447,000 euro, and 3 bedrooms start from 575,000 euro. Also, the urbanization has its own gardens, has heated pool, children's pool, jacuzzi, has parking for bicycles, electric bicycles, has paddle tennis court, has social club. Also, there is a playground for children and game tables area. So this urbanization is perfect place to enjoy Mediterranean life. So welcome to Spain. Come and enjoy this perfect weather, this perfect sea, this temperature from 15 to 31 degrees all year round. And we welcome you, and we will do the best service for you. 333 team will make the best service in Costa Blanca. Welcome.